Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Well, New Year's Eve, Saturday I came down with flu. I was in bed at 10:30, got up Monday, I've been so bad, man flu. So anyway, we're back on for the new year. Sorry I wanted something out on the 2nd. 2nd would have been my 1-year anniversary for my very first film that I put on YouTube, the ride down Soy Cow. But never mind. Anyway, where are we? We're on Sukhumvit Road, down near Nha Jom Tiem. Just along here is the Big C and Tesco Lotus. And this is different. This is a resort. It's a sauna spa health resort with a difference, a big difference. How different is that? It's called the Train Resort. It's a spa and sauna hotel. It's got everything. Look at that. It's even got wheels. It's got tracks. This is the lobby, reception and offices, and the rooms at the rear are the carriages. Everything's got wheels. Even the carriages have got wheels. I'll give you the size of it. There's a Toyota truck. She's a big one. So if you're a train enthusiast, or just a health nut, saunas, whatever else, we'll find out what else. So let's have a check out and look at some rooms. There will be a website email address in the descriptions box. So this is the lobby, reception, office. Oh, that's closed. Oh. Offices, and just in here, opposite the hotel, is the restaurant area, swimming pool, and sauna. It's a health spa. The restaurant. Yeah. It's a health spa hotel. It's stone sauna. Yes. So, Sawadee-krap. So we got the
yes, hot warm. Yeah. And
right, that's the warm, hot, cold. This cold plunge pool?
Yes. It's separate men and women.
Separate men and women, sorry. The saunas, changing rooms. So it's a health spa as well. So a nice relaxing time. Yeah, that's the cold plunge pools. You've got 2 cold plunge pools, 2 hot. So that's man station and the lady station. No mixed station. Nice pool. Showers, obviously showers and changing rooms here. This is the restaurant area. So this is the this is the station, and the hotel's the train. We'll come back. I'll show you some rooms. Let's have a look at the rooms.
You want to follow him?
Okay, we're going to show you a couple of rooms. There's two types of room.
This one.
There's this one, which is in one of the carriages. This is 1,500 baht a night, but includes breakfast and saunas. So it's like all inclusive with the sauna. Right, so these are the rooms, but they're different. same but different. I'll show you. Let's take your sandals up. Right, they're actually like a house, an apartment. They're not an apartment, it's upstairs. You have the lounge, a kitchen area, TV, air conditioning, and then you go upstairs to the bedroom. They're like a little spiral staircase. Bathroom, showers. And then into the bedrooms upstairs. So you don't have people above you. And they're a nice room. TV upstairs in the bedroom, also aircon. So 1,500 a night. Lounge, kitchen, bedroom upstairs, and includes sauna and breakfast. Right.
Promotion 1 month. This promotion 1 month.
This is a 1 month promotion.
Yeah.
So they don't have a website. They have a Facebook page. It's new. It's been bought out, totally refurbished. So I'll put the Facebook page in the descriptions. Right, let's have a look at another, the basic room. Right, so they're in carriages, and this one here is different. These are 1 bedroom, the same, but they're on 1 level. But unfortunately, they're not finished yet. They're decorated, but they're not furnished out. And then we go through to where's she gone? The small chalets. She's fucked off, she's disappeared. Come back! I'm halfway through this, come on. Where you going? I'll come back here. Right, she went to get the key. She didn't tell me, she just went. And she's back with the key. So these are like these small chalets run along the back here. Which, what number? 403. So we'll have a quick look at. So we'll have a quick look at the chalet here. That's the circumvent at the end there, and it's car parking at the back, at the rear there. So we'll pop the slippers off. Small terrace. That'll hopefully get some lights on.
Okay. I just put some light on. Okay. ไม่เป็นไรให้ลูกค้าเขาดู
So there's like a small lounge sofa with TV, cabinet, bed. These are nice. A small kitchen area with fridge and the shower toilet. And these are 995 baht per night. They have just opened, totally refurbished through. It's all brand new. So they're running a promotion at the moment. So, but it's different, definitely different. The train resort and sauna. So it was different. It's different. It's totally just been refurbished right through, bought out, added additions, and it's the train resort and sauna. So there she is. So if you like me vlog, it's only showing you, it's a short one. Give me a like, a share, thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go around, get some more out. I feel like I've let you down, but I have been really ill with man flu. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Morning, Dad. Oh, feeling a bit off, eh? Tickly throat? And a runny nose? You've got man flu. Mum, turn off that noisy domestic appliance. Dad's got man flu. Children, cease your irritating horseplay. Dad's got man flu. Quick, he's going to need soup, lockets, a newspaper, and a television remote control. But what is man flu? Well, these scientists have discovered a new type of virus, one that only affects men and strikes only around major sporting events and bank holidays. Good work, chaps. Why not take the afternoon off? Here's a mum with normal flu. That's right, Mum, just get on with things. After all, it's not man flu, is it? And here's a dad with man flu. And as you can see, he's completely dependent on others for the simplest of everyday tasks. How does man flu spread? Well, viruses are microscopic. They're also very small. They may look like this, or like this, and they may live on bus tickets, or hoovers, or maybe salad. All we know is when a man says he has man flu, you have to take his word for it, plump up the cushions, get the soup on, and hand over the remote. What is the government doing? These scientists are working on a tastier form of locket. Maybe a cherry flavour, or blackcurrant would be nice, chaps. So, when man flu strikes in your home, remember these 3 simple phrases. When you catch it, you phone in sick and have a good sit down. That's catch it, phone in sick, and have a good sit down. Ah, here's Dad again. Take it easy, Dad. You're fighting man flu.